everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be making this chunky mesh bag. It's a perfect shoulder bag for the summer and is perfect for beach days and other day trips as well. This is a super easy shoulder bag and I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Okay, let's get started. What you'll need is scissors, a crochet needle, stitch markers, a 12mm crochet hook, and macrame yarn. The yarn I'll be using is the Bernat Macrame yarn in colors Taupe and Natural. To begin the base, start with a slip knot. Chain 14. After those 14, you're going to chain one additional chain. Now you should have 15 chains altogether. Continue by starting to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet until the end of the row. When you reach the last single crochet, chain one. Then single crochet again in the space on the side of the cord. Chain one. Then single crochet for the rest of the row on the opposite end. Towards your last single crochet, chain one. Single crochet again in the side space. Then lastly, chain one. Slip stitch at the top of the first stitch. Now your base is completed. For the body of the bag, you're going to chain 4. The third chain acts as a stitch number 1. Yarn over, skip a stitch, and double crochet in the third stitch. Remember, the chain 3 acts as a stitch number 1. Towards the end of the first row, you will be slip stitching at the top of the third chain. Continue by chaining 1. Skipping a stitch, then double crocheting in the next. Repeat chaining 1, skipping a stitch, and double crocheting until the end of the row. Towards the end, after your last double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch in the third chain. Repeat chaining 4. Skip a stitch, and double crochet in the third stitch. Remember that chain 1 through 3 acts as stitch number 1. Repeat chaining 1, skipping a stitch, and double crocheting until the end of the row. Towards the end, you're just going to repeat chaining 1 after your last double crochet and then slip stitch in the third chain. Pause if needed. When you reach the end of your 5th row, you're going to continue by slip stitching in the third chain. For the final row, you're going to chain 3. Continue skipping the second stitch, the chain 3 acts as stitch number 1, and double crochet in the third chain. Skip a stitch and double crochet without chaining 1 for the entire row. at your last stitch, slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. Here is how the body of the bag should look after it's finished. The bag measures approximately 8 inches in width and 7.5 inches in length. And for the shoulder bag length, I did about 27 inches for the strap. Continue by chaining 42 chains, roughly 27 inches, to complete the strap. I'm about 5'4" and the bag ends perfectly at my hips. If you want more of a crossbody bag, feel free to customize it with more chains. Slip stitch to the other end to the side of the bag and use stitch markers if needed. After that, hide any loose ends and you're done! Here is how your bag should look once it's finished. This is also optional, but I placed a drawstring bag inside to make sure all my valuables are secure. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!